Everyone has potential. The difference is that only a few people ever unlock it. It's not because they are smarter, more talented, or luckier than everyone else. The truth is much simpler. Most people unknowingly bad habits and mindsets that keep them stuck exactly where they are. The good news, once you understand what's holding you back, you can start changing it. In this video, I will share the 5 biggest reasons why most people never reach their full potential, along with practical solutions that can help you break free. So if you are serious about becoming the best version of yourself, watch until the end. Number 1. Comfort zone. Your brain is wired to keep you safe, not successful. That's why it naturally closes comfort over growth. It's easier to scroll through your phone than work on your goals. It's easier to delay difficult tasks than face them. The problem is that every day you choose comfort over growth. You move one step further away from your potential. Nothing changes until you are willing to become uncomfortable. The solution is start pushing your limits on purpose. Every week do at least one thing that scares or challenges you. Learn a new skill, start the project you have been avoiding, have the difficult conversation, or take on a challenge you have been afraid of. Growth always begins where your comfort zone ends. Number 2. Fear of failure. One of the biggest reasons people never achieve their dreams is because they are afraid to fail. They are afraid of making mistakes, being judged, or looking stupid. So instead of taking action, they keep waiting for the perfect moment, but the perfect moment never arrives. Solution: change your relationship with failure. Stop seeing it as proof that you are not good enough. Instead, treat it as feedback. Instead of saying, I have to succeed on my first try, tell yourself, I am going to give these 10 honest attempts. Every failure teaches you something, and every lesson brings you closer to success. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to RexovaX for more videos on self-improvement, discipline, productivity, and becoming the best version of yourself. Number 3. Lack of consistency. Most people depend on motivation to get things done. The problem is that motivation is temporary. Some days you will feel excited and productive, while other days you feel lazy and unmotivated. If you only take action when you feel motivated, you will never make a real progress. The solution is build habits instead of relying on motivation. Read for 10 minutes every day, exercise for 10 minutes, practice your most important skill for 15 minutes. These small actions may not seem impressive today, but over months, they create extraordinary results. Consistency always beats intensity. Number 4 is distractions. We live in a world that constantly fighting for our attention. Social media, notifications, endless videos, and entertainment make it easier than ever to waste hours without realizing it. Every distraction steals time that could have been invested in your future. The solution is protect your attention like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Turn off unnecessary notifications, keep your phone away while studying or working, and schedule specific times to use social media instead of checking it every few minutes. The people who accomplished the most are not always the smartest. They're often the ones who protect their focus the best. Number 5 is no clear goals. Many people say they want success, happiness, or financial freedom, but they never define what those things actually mean. Without a clear goal, it's impossible to create a clear plan. You cannot reach a destination if you don't know where you are going. The solution is take a few minutes to write down one meaningful goal for the next year. Break that goal into monthly milestones, then decide on the 3 most important tasks you need to complete each day. Clear goals lead to clear actions, and clear actions lead to real progress. Conclusion: at the end of the day, most people don't fail because they lack talent or intelligence. They fail because they stay comfortable, fear failure, give up too easily, allow distractions to control them, and live without a clear direction. The good news is that none of these problems are permanent. Every single one of them can be changed starting today. Your potential is not determined by what you are capable of, it's determined by the actions you choose to repeat every single day. So ask yourself, which of these 5 reasons is holding you back the most? Definitely it working on it and take the first steps today. Your future would not change overnight, but it will change if you keep showing up every day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.